Now let's log into Natas 2 with the password found in the Natas 1 page source. Now here again there is nothing on this page, so let's check the page source. On the page source, we can see here the password for Natas 3 is not explicitly mentioned, but we can see that here a pixel.png image is given. Let's try and open the image. In the image we can see that there is nothing, only a black screen is visible, but we can observe that the pixel.png file image is present in the files directory. So let's try to access the files directory. In the files directory, we can see that we have pixel.png and users.txt. We saw that there is nothing in pixel.png. Let's try and open users.txt. In the users.txt, we can see that the password for Natas 3 is present.